Welcome! Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will be making a DIY sparkling bottle. This took approximately 20 to 25 minutes to create, and I let it dry overnight in order for it to completely dry. So if you would like more videos like this, please like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell below to get notified. So here is everything that I used for this project, and this will be everything that you will need also. So first is my Elmer's glue. This is the clear glue that I got. I also got a Mod Podge. This is also the clear acrylic sealer. And so this is in the glossy finish. This is my bottle that I got. I just got a regular champagne bottle. So I went to Walmart and I got this glitter. And so this is just the regular Walmart glitter that they have. I also got a sponge. And I got a plate and a piece of paper. So last but not least, I just picked up a pair of gloves. I wanted to use this because I did not want my nails or my hands to get messy. Because we all know that glitter can go everywhere. So with this piece of paper, I'm folding it in half. And I'm just going to use this underneath my bottle so that I am able to catch a lot of the glitter that does fall off once I start applying the glitter and the glue. So next I am taking off the labels and any extra gooey stuff that's on this bottle, and this is just going to help me get the glitter on smoother. And at this moment I was definitely struggling trying to get it off. But so I did take off the top label, but I did not take off the bottom label, and that's just because I felt the bottom label did not necessarily have to come off. So next I have my bottle, and I'm just going to put this in my paper. And so again, this paper is going to help catch all of that glitter that is not needed or that the glue did not get on. So at this time, I'm just putting on my gloves and getting prepared for everything else. So again, if you do want to choose to wear gloves, go ahead and do that now. So next, I got everything. And I honestly don't know what I'm doing in this moment, so I'm just going to let you all listen to this music. So I finally got the glitter open, and I'm just looking at it. It was kind of acting weird. But guys, please do not judge me for wearing these two different pairs of gloves. I know that they are two different colors. I know that they are two different gloves. So please do not judge me. So at this moment, I'm just trying to poke a hole through the glitter top, and it just was not working for me. So y'all be mindful. If you get the glitter from Walmart, please be mindful. I just ended up leaving the top off. So here I'm getting my plate, I'm getting my glue, and I'm going to put my glue in my plate. I'm squeezing a lot. It's not even a quarter size. At this moment, it's a lot of glue. But I'm just squeezing some in there so that I am able to use my sponge brush. So at this moment, I'm just rotating my bottle. I want to start on a fresh, clean area. I'm taking my brush and I am adding one thin layer of glue to the bottle. I then go in for seconds because I felt like it was needed. So it's at your discretion, whatever you feel is needed. Next, I'm taking my glitter and I am pouring it all on my bottle. And I just want to shake it off and kind of like roll it around so that the glitter can try and evenly distribute. So next, I am taking another layer of glue and I'm putting it on my bottle. And again, I'm just making sure that I'm getting it all in there so that it can evenly be distributed. The same amount of glue with the same amount of glitter. So at this point, I know y'all see this paper with all this glitter on it. I was going in with the glitter and I still didn't even use the whole bottle. But I know the paper kind of looks a little silly, so if you do want to just go ahead and hot dog fold it, go right ahead. But here, I'm just making sure that I go in with the dots. It was some portions where I didn't get any glitter, so I did want to make sure that I was getting glitter in those portions before the glue dried completely. So next is gonna get really repetitive, so I'm just going to let y'all watch the video without me talking and interfering. I'm back. So here I'm just shaking off the bottle and letting all the glitter drop off. And so I'm going in and I'm just patching up any loose ends that I see that needs glitter. So here I'm just rolling off any excess glitter that does not want to stay on. And I'm taking my final step, and this is the Mod Podge. So make sure again you get the clear acrylic with a gloss finish. So here again I'm just rotating and twisting my bottle around so that I can spray all of the Mod Podge thoroughly and easily. But most importantly, evenly. Make sure that the Mod Podge is sprayed evenly throughout this bottle. So now with the Mod Podge, one little recommendation is do this somewhere where you can get some airflow, because this Mod Podge was extremely strong. So here I'm just going back, patching up any type of loose ends again. And so it did actually stay after I sprayed the Mod Podge. And again, I resprayed the Mod Podge to make sure that I seal those ends and seal this glitter from not falling off. So here I am spraying, and I started to notice that the Mod Podge was sticking to my gloves. So again, definitely the Mod Podge works, and it's sealing immediately, and it's extremely sticky. So watch out for that. So just look at this gorgeous bottle. Like, isn't she so pretty? So here I am taking my bottle off of the paper that I had it on, and I'm just starting to collect all of my trash, and I'm also starting to allow my bottle to dry. So I kid you not, it's only been 30 minutes and it's already dry to touch. But I still allowed my bottle to dry overnight for it to dry completely. So thank you all so much for watching my DIY sparkly bottle video. See you next time.